In this video, you will learn how to download the Poems Global 2.0 desktop platform, log into your account and utilize its basic functions. This video provides a step-by-step guide to help you get started with the platform effectively. First, open Google and search for Philip Capital's website. Once on the site, click on the Platforms section and look for Poems Global Malaysia 3.0. Scroll down to find the link for the Poems Global 2.0 desktop version and then click here to download it. After downloading, log into the platform by filling up your username and passwords. Once the workstation has loaded, mouse over to the top left box and click on the trade icon to place a trade. Key in the stocks that you want to place order and select your preferred stocks. Then, fill in the details, then click Submit button. Check the details and key in your password to submit the order. The next feature is the order status, which allows you to check the real-time status of all order types. You can view your order history for up to 7 days. Additionally, you can modify, withdraw, or resend your orders by clicking the appropriate sections. You have the options to filter your order types based on your preference, and you can also search for orders by the counter name or symbol. The next icon would be the price view. This is used to view the price data for all counters on top 30 list or watch list. You may also create your own watch list by clicking the add icon. To access the chart, click on the chart view icon. Search for the counters and select the one you wish to view. You can add indicators by clicking the indicators icon. Additionally, you can open multiple charts in one window by clicking the new empty chart view icon. To analyze the chart, you may utilize the tools available above. The Instrument Explorer icon allows you to search for any counter across all available markets. You can add it to your watch list or place a trade directly from here. Next, the Market Depth icon allows you to view the volume of trades at available buy or sell prices in the market. You may search for any counters to bring up its market depth. Double-click on the buy or sell prices to open a new trade ticket with the selected price. The Times and Sales icon is used to view times and sales data of specific counters. You may search for any counters to view its daily trade information and its times and sales. Next, the Trade Summary icon shows the stock movement in terms of volume traded at different price levels. To check your account information, click on the Account Management icon. Select the sections that you would like to check. Next, the Alert icon is used to set price alerts according to your defined criteria. To add price alerts, click New, search for any counters, and fill in your details. Once submitted, it will appear on the Price Alert view. To read the latest news, click on the News icon and find the news you would like to read. Next, the Stock Analytics icon gives you the insight to listed companies' fundamental, valuations, and operating performances. Next, the Intraday Profit or Loss icon is used to see how well your portfolio is performing real-time. The Open Profit or Loss shows the real-time intraday open position and its profit and loss, while the Close Profit and Loss shows the profit and loss of intraday close or liquidated positions. For the live position, it will show you the live trading situations here. Next, the Bursa News allows you to find news posted by Bursa. Fill in the details to find the news you would like to read. For the General Information icon, it will show you all general information related to the counter you selected. By filling in the counter at the search bar, you'll be able to see all information regarding this counter. To make payment, click the payment icon. Fill in your details and click Pay Now to make the payment. To modify a particular window settings and its functionality, click the settings icon and modify the setting based on your own preference. Enter your password to confirm your changes. For any further help, go to the help icon and click on User Guide. It will show you a full guide on the basic functions for Pomos Global 2.0 desktop version. Lastly, to log out, click the logout icon and click Yes to log out. So, thank you for watching and have a happy trading.